Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 Playmobil sets. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Get into the festive spirit with the LEGO Duplo Santa's Gingerbread House. This adorable set includes everything your toddler needs to create a cozy Christmas scene, complete with Santa Claus, teddy bear, and cute boy and girl figures. Watch as your little one builds the Christmas tree, sets up the presents, and even serves treats using the teapot and plate of cakes. Perfect for developing communication skills, this hands-on play set is a delightful stocking filler or surprise gift for toddlers aged 2 and up. Easy-to-follow picture story building instructions make assembly a breeze, ensuring hours of snowy adventures for your preschooler. Rita from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "I love the Lego. Play for hours." Sky from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Going to use the pieces to do an advent calendar." Embark on a heartwarming adventure with the Playmobil Grandparents with Child set, perfect for creating nexting memories. Take a leisurely stroll in the park with the grandparents while the family dog joyfully explores its surroundings. Launch a paper airplane and watch in awe as it gracefully glides through the air. Combine the Grandparents with Child set with the Modern House, number 9266, sold separately, to enhance your family fun experience. This set is a tribute to cherished family moments and endless imagination. Abram from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Thought it was a stroller. Apparently it's a walker for old people." Dive into prehistoric adventures with the Playmobil Dino Rise Pteranodon Drone Strike set, where robotic machines threaten the skies and only the brave duo of the Pteranodon and Caden can defend against them. Featuring a projectile-catching net and versatile armor, the hero figure can easily switch between modes for action-packed play. This set includes everything you need for thrilling battles, from figures and drones to accessories, providing endless imaginative fun for kids aged 5 to 12. Get ready for aerial excitement and epic Dino battles with this captivating toy set. Tommy from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "My son got this as a birthday present and he loves it. They are a great size and easy to assemble. The set doesn't fall apart and it's super fun to play with." Experience the ultimate road trip adventure with the Playmobil Volkswagen T1 Camping Bus. This iconic red and white colored van is not just a toy, it's a mini kitchen on wheels. With fold-down seating that converts into a sleeping area, plenty of storage space, and even a fold-down vanity with mirror. This set has everything you need for your next camping excursion. The attention to detail is impeccable, from the shelves for your non-perishable foods to the luggage securely stored on the roof rack. This set comes complete with 2 figures, van, luggage, map camera, food supplies, thermos, cups, and more. Whether you're 5 or 99 years old, this set promises endless fun and imaginative play. Get ready to hit the road in style and create memories that will last a lifetime. Introducing the Playmobil Witopia wolf animal figure, a perfect addition to your child's toy collection. This wolf figure is not just any ordinary toy, it can tilt its head and move all 4 legs individually, providing an interactive play experience. The included collectible animal card features a QR code that links to the Playmobil Witopia app, where kids can learn more about wolves and even take selfies with them using the app's AR feature. What's more, Witopia is an eco-friendly range made from over 80% sustainable material, promoting environmental consciousness in a fun way. Expand your child's imagination by combining this set with other Playmobil Witopia products for endless animal adventures. Let your child explore exciting regions and their animal inhabitants with Playmobil Witopia, where fun and education go hand in hand. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 Playmobil sets and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.